In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security. Now you need to click on Screen Lock and pick the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Over here you need to create it and click on Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Finally, answer the question by tapping on one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to click on it and tap on Done at the bottom right corner one last time. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!